Today we're introducing the new Industrial Filament portfolio.
So we have here the first printing, which is a high temperature printer with an open material strategy and also a modular design.
We have today introduced the Polymer 11 Gen 2.
We are improving the refresh ratio, so the coaster part of P11 Gen 2 is very much improved.
We want to mention those which are new today. For copper with the production via GKN and together with the silver, which has been qualified by Legor. So we have the compatible materials coming with new ones as nickel-based superalloys.
And I'm here happy to introduce our new partnership with Würth Additive. And Mikhail is here to talk about how this partnership is going to simplify the supply chains.